Okay, hope you're all up for this. Our next musical act is called Monica and Author. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Okay. Just a little bit of set on that.
Yeah.
Give me one more time.
Yeah.
Monica and Author.
Clutching a handkerchief and blowing me a kiss, discreetly asking how come she died so young, or was she very old? Is the body still warm? Is it already cold? Well, doors are open wide, they poke around inside. My vest, my drawers, my trunk, there's nothing left to hide. My love letters are there, and an old photograph. They laid my porcelain bare, and all they do is laugh. Ha 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 ha! I can see them all, so formal and so stiff, like a sergeant at arms at a policeman's ball. And everybody's pushing to be the first in line. The hearts up on their sleeves, like a 10-cent Valentine. The old men are there, too old to give a damn. They even brought the wives who don't know who I am. They're thinking about a prize on my funeral bouquet. What they think isn't nice, 'cause now they have to pay. Ha 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 ha! I can see me now, so cold and so alone, as the flowers slowly die in my field of little bones. I can see me at the end of this voyage that I'm on, without a love, without a friend. Now all this that I see is not what I deserve. They really had the nerve to say these things to me. No boys, just bread and water. All your money you must save, or there'll be nothing left for us when you're dead and in your grave. Ha 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 ha!